Hey guys, I just wanted to show you that I could solve the Rubik's Cube. I got it all mixed up and I'm pretty tired. I just woke up, but I like to start with the bottom layer. I put a plus, and then I do all of the bottom layer. And then you do the second layer. Then you get the top layer of yellow. And then you get then you solve the last row. There's like a system of algorithms. You only have to know a certain amount of algorithms, and then you can solve the Rubik's Cube. So if you have good muscle memory, then you can do it. And it just takes like learning the the algorithms. All right, I'm gonna solve it now. A little side note: I've actually taught I taught my cousin how to solve the Rubik's Cube once. I don't know if he still remembers the algorithms, but I can teach people how to solve it too. Um, I don't know if I'd be able to teach people over a YouTube video, but if you ever see me in person and you're interested in learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube, might be able to teach you. And I got the second layer in the bottom. And there we go. I kind of got lucky. I didn't have to do an algorithm because it just ended up being solved. I didn't have to do the last algorithm, which is kind of convenient, but sometimes that happens. You'll just solve it because everything matches up. But my favorite thing to do is to, when I'm done solving it, uh, I like to make it all checkered. Looks cool. Anyways, peace.